Hey there. Just wanted to share a quick workflow that we've been building that could be relevant for anyone that is building ads and shipping at scale. So essentially agencies running social media ads. This workflows, basically what it does is you input a picture and then it will generate the right size format for specific platforms, and will also eventually check for the safe placements to make sure there is no text where there are like elements overlays like comments and avatars and stuff. So just showing you quickly. So what you do, you would input a picture and then select the platform and the format that you need, and then the smart-resize will basically check and make sure that everything is fine to be launched for that platform. So it has two layers. So just to show you, this was the original image. It was just an example I took from Google. So first thing already is that if you look at it here, the quality is not so good, but then in the end result, it's been upscaled. And then if you look at the placement, everything's been basically generated through the smart resize, and everything now looks good and ready to be shipped. But it's not always the case, because here, luckily, this image went super well in all formats. I would basically just ship that to production with no problem. But we have this Sentinel technology that we built that can be very interesting for production workflows, because imagine you have your production of assets, you upload one picture, you say, okay, I need to have this picture to be resized in all formats, and then I need to ship it through API directly into Meta, for example. This is possible, but you want to make sure that nothing weird comes in. And I will show you some examples. So, because this is AI, so sometimes it's really good. Like for example, we have this one, and then here, it's essentially like very good. I would also ship that, but sometimes you have weird things like this one, the jar that is floating, and then you would have a fail, and this one would not be going into production. So the goal here that we want to do is to start creating all those workflows that will be improving week over week. And what we want to do is to get feedback from people, from builders, like how would you use that in your pipeline? What would you change? How would you incorporate it into your current workflows? Is that useful? Yes or no? There are two layers. The first layer is the resizing, and then the shipping to production. And then the second one is to have this pass fail that allows you not to send weird stuff online, and especially paying for weird assets to be live. For the media buyers, we've all been there, shipping something wrong, going live, spending some budget on the wrong assets. This is not something you want to do for mass production or for mass diffusion. So feel free to share any feedback on that. I can make this platform available for anyone to test if you're interested, and then also plug you onto the Sentinel technology. So let me know what you think, and then we can take it from there. Thank you.